Nice.
Bana preparing our room service, ah.
Yes. Yeah, paano kaya this one? Put it in the middle. Happy birthday to you.
And put it there lang. Wag. Ah, dito mo ilagay. Tapos saka mo lagyan ng water.
Tanggalin mo sa ano kaya? Sa buto. Wala naman laman yung gusto na bulalo.
Hindi, yung kare-kare pasok mo. Yung bulalo lang.
Yung kare-kare.
Pag-uwi na yan. Sa bahay na yan. Inisip ko sa dogs na lang.
Masisira yan.
Oh.
Masisira na yan pag binaon.
Ha?
Pwede na yan. Merong initan na yan.
Paano initin yan, mami?
Timplahan lang ng konting
Hindi, ano? Lagyan ng tubig?
tubig.
Ah,
Can we eat na?
Oh,
We're waiting for
i-fry
mommy.
mo na.
why did you use my glass? I requested that for ano eh. So I can drink wine.
And where am I going to put my drinks?
No, later na.
Ay, oo nga, wala siyang dalang baso.
Nasa loob.
I don't want to watch.
Let me.
Can I choose a...
No, we don't have internet. Oh, mommy download this one. I think this is funny.
Will you download the thing that I told you?
1, 2,
The green one.
Put it over there.
The green
Hmm.
Put it in the water.
That's for our toothbrushing.
No, you can use it here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, let's give this to mama na. Let's sing happy birthday to mama.
Ano pa po siya?
Post mo like.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Mama. Yay!
Maging good boy na si Clyde. Hindi na talkative. And Invana, keep going and be good. Good luck to your
Exam.
volleyball.
Volleyball. Love you all. Open the ano.
Oo.
Si Mami gusto na matulog.
And more money. Money.